Hey guys, what's going on? So I have a super quick video on Fortnite on Android and when it's basically supposed to come out. So pretty much right now we have Fortnite on iOS, and the crazy thing is I like it. I just started playing it. It's a super fun game, and I don't really have a problem with it. I'm not much of a gamer, but I've been noticing I'm playing like crazy, so I kind of chill out a little bit. But another thing is that PUBG also came out for iOS and Android on the same day. So it had a lot of people curious, like, why didn't just Fortnite or Epic Games just release Fortnite the same day? And now we kind of have an official response, kind of unofficial, but official at the same time. It's kind of hard to explain on why it didn't come out. And basically, to sum up the whole entire answer, is that for iPhones, there's not that many iPhones. Okay, there are a lot of iPhones, don't get me wrong, but there's like, compared to Android, there's so many more Android phones out there than there are iPhones. So you have to think about it like Epic Games was able to optimize the iOS version of the game much easier than the Android version because there's so few iPhones. They can easily just go in and just like edit what they need to, and really the only thing they need to do is like change the screen size, because the SE, the iPhone 10, 8, and 8 Plus, all those phones, the different sizes, those are really the only things they have to change. The iPhones are pretty capable, which begs the question, why did they not just support the iPhone 6 if there were so few iPhones? They were just going to push it out. Apparently they are going to support the iPhone 6 now, but I'll never understand why they didn't just support this phone from the get-go. But basically that does also beg the question on why PUBG was able to support iOS and Android the same day. Android users have to wait months, and that is still the case here. You're still going to have to wait at least a month and a half, I would say. Hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully they'll do it before, but from what they were saying and making it seem like, it looks like it's going to be about like a month and a half before, at least before Fortnite for Android comes out. I do want to give you a warning. I did look on YouTube, and there were some people saying that there were tutorials on how to download it, but that's not real. Don't do that. You have to like watch an ad or something. You can watch the video, but do not download those apps. They're going to direct you to a website to download an APK file. Just don't. You can watch the video, go ahead and support them if you want to, but don't download the app that they're linking in the description. So that's a little bit of a warning. Yeah, but it's not out for Android yet. Just stay tuned. Once it does come out, I'm going to install it on as many devices as I have. I have more over here, and I'll just let you guys know how it runs and everything, and hopefully they can put graphic settings on there too, because I think my Galaxies are going to be able to run it better than my HTC One M7, for example. Even I doubt this thing's going to be supported, but it will be just kind of interesting to see how it runs and all that stuff. That is pretty much it, guys. It's just this quick one. I just wanted to get this information out there. Quick heads up, I'm doing a live stream later on today. I'm just gonna be talking and stuff. We'll figure it out from there. I want to see you guys there. I think it's gonna be around like 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., somewhere near there. I'll shoot out a tweet. I'll put on my Snapchat and put it on Instagram as well. So stay tuned for that. Follow me on those things. Links are in the description if you want to check it out. If you want to have a one-on-one with me, if you have a problem with me, we can hash it out there. But yeah, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Giveaways coming soon. I'm going to announce the Xbox One giveaway tomorrow. I'm going to start up the other giveaway tomorrow as well. And it's about to be super lit, so stay tuned for that. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Comment down if you guys have any questions or anything. I'll be here for you, I promise. Oh, check out flawlessphone.com. The best prices for unlocked phones, cases, Galaxies, all the phones here, HTCs, Moto X's, all that stuff can be found on that website. Apple Watches, all that stuff. Flawlessphone.com, make sure you check it out. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.